We are back, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, William's back. The Crypto Bull channel is still kicking because we're amazing. And we've got another cool, super amazing project for you and your brain in the crypto world. That right there is some coffee because coffee is my lady. Yeah. All right, guys, today we're talking about Expert Token, and it is the world's first YouTube community token. You know I love me some videos. Let's dive in. What did I just do? Let's dive in without clicking the wrong buttons. All right. Before I get into this amazing YouTube community token, I'm just going to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. I will never, ever be one. So you can go through all the other videos I've ever made, and you'll see I always say I am not a financial advisor. So that is the case. If you want financial advice, get off this channel, head on down that lonely road, and find one that suits you. Your money is important. I say you protect it, but don't do what I say. I'm here to tell you about the news and the projects. Down in the description, you're going to see all of the links that you need to click on to do deep dives, get with the projects, whatever you want to do. That's where they are. So go down there and check them out. Also, guys, there is a little golden, amazing button down there. It's not golden, but it's gold to us. It is the subscribe button. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button so that you can expand our family and become part of an amazing family yourself. Also, there's a notification bell down there. Make sure you click that, because if you don't, you won't be notified of our awesome project announcements and cool news in the crypto world. All right, now that all that is out of the way, all the announcements, let's talk about Expert Token. So like I said, it's YouTube's, it's the first YouTube community token, and it's aiming to revolutionize how YouTubers reward their communities. So by integrating blockchain technology, it offers a transparent and efficient reward distribution system. Reward distribution system. Yeah, that. And that is enhancing engagement between content creators and their audiences, which is pretty cool. So let's talk about that YouTube channel. All right, so here you go. I like their little guy there. He's kind of reminds me of a computer repairman. I don't know why, but he does. That's Expert Para, Expert Money. Let's take a look, shall we? He's got a video. It's a minute and a half long. Nice animation. That's one loud player. Every month, token burn. Same dog coins. Same cat coins. There's a little Shiba Inu there. Is that Elon Musk? I think it is. Could be Dogecoin. $470,000 beauty miners. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, let it rain, baby. All right. So guys, come to their YouTube channel. It looks like they have a bunch of videos there you can check out. You know, videos are the best way to learn, in my opinion. Very cool. Very, very cool. So what are some of the key features these guys have? Well, they have an extensive community, just like we saw, with a combined following of 470 million. 470,000, my bad, across YouTube and Twitter. And Expert Token boasts a substantial and active community. So they have a monthly token burns, like you saw, to maintain value and scarcity. The project conducts regular burns every month. Let's talk about their roadmap. An upcoming Tier 1 exchange listing. A significant milestone is on the horizon with a planned listing on a Tier 1 exchange this month, increasing accessibility and liquidity for investors. Speaking of this month, let's check out. You have a $3.23 million market cap with the 20. There's their wallet, donation wallet. That's what I'm looking for, the roadmap. So Q4, we don't care. We already passed that. Q1, 2025. Let's talk about that. Listing on 2 CEX exchanges. Tokens burnt. Community airdrop. Launch of global marketing activities. Expansion of the community. Q2, token burn. Organizing user events. Community airdrop. Applications to Tier 1 exchanges. Establishment of strategic partnerships. Q3, token burn. Token burn, token burn, token burn. Community airdrop, activation of staking system, and the Q4 of this year, reduction of the maximum supply to 500 million, analysis and determination of the 2026 roadmap, airdrop distribution to holders. So you see their Cyberscope audits, CoinScope, and the white paper. Speaking of the white paper, guys, if you want to know all about it, you got to go to their white paper, because that is where the details really are, as with anything. With an innovative approach, move this over. With an innovative approach to the crypto world, Expert Money Expert was born as a community-driven project. Their primary goal is to unite the community's economic power to provide their users with income and integrate them into an ecosystem. Developed on the Solana network, this token holds the distinction of being the world's first community-focused token. All right. What's their purpose and vision? Community engagement. Earn a reward through the invite and earn system. Active participation by users is incentivized and rewarded. That's cool. Happy users regularly organize events, foster a sense of unity within the community. The project's vision is to establish a token system that grows through the collective strength of its users and achieves global scalability. Technical information. You guys definitely, they have a maximum supply of 1 million. Or is that 1 billion? 1 million. No, I'm sorry, 1 billion. My brain. Their burn's gonna be epic. Total supply is gonna be down a little bit. And definitely, guys, click on the link below, get into the white paper, and check all this stuff out. I could be here all day, and I'm not going to, but you can in the description. All right. What's that? What is Expert Token? Oh, we already knew that, didn't we? It's talking about those airdrop and staking rewards. Their community members can benefit from airdrops and staking rewards, fostering active participation and investment in the project's growth itself. And unlike many meme tokens, guys, Expert Token is built with a clear mission to provide tangible value and utility with the YouTube ecosystem. Of course, they have security and transparency because they prioritize their security here, and they have achieved a remarkable 99 score from reputable audit and KYC know your customer security companies, which is pretty solid. So guys, by leveraging blockchain technology, Expert Token is set to transform the YouTube community engagement landscape and offer innovative solutions for reward distribution and fostering a more connected and motivated audience. Let's see. You can buy it here. Got a disclaimer. This token is not on the default. Oh, I wanted to see. Oh, here we go. I was going to go here. Let's check it out here. You can see this has got some serious potential. I like it. I like what I'm seeing here. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Is this on my Bull X Neo? Should be. Because that's where I would check it out. Yeah, definitely. All right. I don't know what I just did here, but I didn't want to do that. What did I do? Oh, bars. All right, so you can see like it's going up and down in quite the usual style, which is pretty awesome. Definitely something to keep an eye on. Let's head on back to where we were. Where was I? Oh, here. But I don't care about that. Back to here. Here we go. I just wanted to see if I had missed. Let's check out the team real quick. Expert Para, the founder, having gained experience in the crypto. I was wondering who that guy was. Market since 2016. Expert Para is now here with his own project. If you guys have any questions, you can contact them, and there is a facts section. So yeah, guys, down in the description, that's where the links are. Check them out. Expert token, expert money. Stronger together, growing with expert. Expert token is community driven. Yep, we talked about that. Guys, I like what I'm seeing here. It's pretty interesting. Definitely worth a check out. Do the deep dive into that white paper. Link in the description. My name is William. This is the Crypto Bull channel. You guys are amazing. Stay classy out there. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.